This is the final episode in the series. This is what we all came here for. We got a helicopter, and this place gets really rowdy really quick. What's up, guys? We're out here at Camp Rock Road in Lucerne Valley. We got Prerandan, we got Dylan. This is the final episode in the series where we got our film team out here. We got a helicopter, and since we brought a helicopter out, we brought some friends. We're gonna get some bangers today, guys. This is gonna be awesome. We first started filming this with the cab on the first time, and we figured that was Thanksgiving or Halloween? Thanksgiving, that was out in Superstition. And that was the first time you had driven with the truck like that, right?
Cab, yeah.
So after Super, Daniel brought it out here, no front clip, no fenders, and that's when Evan got those like epic bangers in the silt bed.
Where Danny blew his motor.
Where Danny blew his motor through the silt bed. Was it at that point you decided to rebuild the motor?
Yeah, I wanted more power. Danny had the 418 built by Robert Maruzzi, and I was jealous.
And you were like, dude, this is not fair. I need more power.
More power, baby.
What was going on in that time, you guys, was COVID. I think little did everyone know how long COVID would be and how much it would affect our production everywhere for everything. Everybody was like, hey, you know what's a good idea? Let's rebuild the motor. After that, we got caught up with a bunch of projects, and Daniel's beautiful truck unfortunately got put on the back burner. So this is a long-awaited trip, man, to finally get it to where we are. It took us a while to figure out what we were gonna do with, I think, color. I think Daniel was, but we wanted to do something.
I don't know what I want.
It was a lot of back and forth.
Whatever you chose, it came out great.
Maybe I'll just do a new cab.
You know what? I wouldn't be surprised at this point. Yeah, I honestly wouldn't. This is third cab. From Ranger to F-150 to 90s F-150. So here we are. Truck looks great. Truck looks super solid. This is what we all came here for. And this place gets really rowdy really quick.
Yeah! Thank you, guys. Thank you.
Hi, you guys. Thank you.
All right, guys, give it up, give it up.
You guys excited for the helicopter?
Oh yeah.
Has anybody been in a helicopter? Have you been in a helicopter?
Never.
BP?
Yeah.
What about yourself?
Nope.
No? Okay, okay.
So you want to know something? I was gonna send some helicopter emojis. The helicopter emojis were inappropriate. I'm like, dude, what the hell? And I was like, oh,
Party boy
my
style.
God,
Party boy
dude.
style.
I was like, and I'm like, why is this helicopter? And I was like, oh.
We're on Lucerne, filming with the boys. You guys are gonna go with me over to this turn. I'm gonna get some pictures, and you're gonna see a helicopter. He's gonna do a buzz by. So we're gonna capture that. Crazy! Crazy? You're crazy, girl. Oh, here comes Dan. There's too much going on. I can't dual wield very well, so I apologize. The footage is a bit shaky. But let's go talk to these guys and see how that first little run was. All right, boys, what's the next run, you think?
Past the camp, down towards the wall, kind of, but not.
Past the camp, down
over
towards
yonder, past the bush, by the rock on the
right
left.
at the bush, go straight a wee bit, and then you make another right at that bump section.
And you guys are gonna have that thing follow you?
Why wouldn't we?
No bush.
No bush.
No bush.
All right, you heard him. So, okay, so we're gonna head southwest now and have the helo follow us, I guess.
Oh, they're towing Daniel with the Jeep?
Yeah, he got too hot. So the fan wasn't working.
What?
Oh.
So electrical?
Yeah, you probably just look at it and fix it, hopefully, real quick.
So Paul, how'd you like your first time in Lucerne Valley? Camp Rock Road side.
Dirt's a little different out here than Ocotillo Wells.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. The rocks are pretty brutal.
The helicopter was epic, man. I've
Yeah.
never pushed my truck that hard
Dude,
since I got it, so
can't wait.
I think the helicopter just like ups it a bit
Yeah.
when it's go time.
Yeah, well, thank you for coming out, dude.
That was amazing. No, thank you for having me.
Absolutely, dude. The truck looked amazing. There was some G-outs that this thing was flying through.
Super happy with the new skid plate I got underneath here for some extra weight in the back.
Okay.
And then
yeah.
on Wednesday it goes to SDG to get measured.
Okay.
IBPs come off, race coilovers go on, but then after that the whole truck's getting torn down, powder coated, painted, finished, carpet, air conditioning.
Oh, you're doing AC, huh?
Yeah.
That's the deal for
It's gotta be plush
Absolutely, dude.
if you're gonna have a limo.
Hell yeah. You were even mentioning possibly some Nora stuff.
I
Possibly.
I talked to the Bink guys and they got me interested a little bit. Just want to
But-
participate. You know, maybe some people that want to do it with me, and
Let's do it.
I think it would be fun. I don't want to go out and just thrash stuff.
No, go
you know?
enjoy Baja.
Just want to go have fun.
Hell
just want
yeah.
to see the sights, see what it's all about. I've never been down there. I've been down there with my dirt bike
Yeah.
10 years ago, but
Yeah.
I think it would just be fun to go check it out, how the truck guys do it.
I got you, man. I'd love to help you in any way we can. Terra Crew would love to freaking, we'll talk to some of the guys. We'll see who can go down there. But
Sounds
thank you,
good.
man. Thank you so much, bro.
Thank you.
Appreciate you, man. So that was it with Daniel and friends. Amazing day. Everybody's fine. Got a couple little parts here and there. Some people got to fix, right? Everybody kind of had a little thing to work on.
It's hot outside.
It's hot out here. Trucks don't like a lot of heat, but yeah, you guys may be wondering why it's hot and I'm wearing a hoodie. It's because I hate getting sunburned.
2 words, sweetie. Sunscreen.
How did it feel, man? What were your thoughts with everything? Like anything different or?
Yeah, the helicopter 20 feet outside.
Right. That's like trophy truck dreams, dude. We're so stoked. So again, thank you guys, Ronnie and the guys from Gravel Kings and HP Helicopters for coming out here and filming all these guys do what they do. Thank you to all of our sponsors that were on board with us. Heatwave, Method, PRP, Rigid, 0 to 60 Wraps, Toyo Tires, McNeil, Jamar, everybody that's been a part of this. Danny Giannini for just absolutely crushing it. Dylan crushed it too. Dylan, thank you, man. It's been a wild ride, but the truck's finally ready to go. So can't wait for you guys to see this truck. Definitely look for it at some upcoming events this year. I know we're gonna do like a pre-runner paradise thing, maybe like a little meet somewhere. All the expos coming up, dude. There's a lot of stuff coming up, but we're trying to change it up this year. We're trying to go to some new spots. Doing a lot of these things over and over and again. I think it's time for us to kind of change stuff up. So if you guys have any ideas of new spots or locations or shows that we need to check out, let us know. Thank you guys so much. We'll see you guys. Thank you. We did it.
Or would that get in the
Event
lens and the sensor?
producer.
Wouldn't that get into the lens and shit?
I don't know, dude. If it's on the outside, we're talking about
but-
putting graphite on you and on your shaft.
But that shaft goes inside.
Chromatography.
and then-
Yeah, that's what they do.
Phase inducer.